Hey there, and happy Monday! Bailey again here bringing you our third and final challenge of our hashtag nature tasking series. But first, let's take a look at our submissions from last week's coloring challenge. And of course, last week's randomly selected submission that will receive 2 free day passes to Shaw Nature Reserve or an additional 10% off a retail purchase in our visitor center is... Look for a message from Shaw Nature Reserve with additional details on how to redeem your prizes. And now, onto our final challenge of our nature tasking series, our grand finale. This one's for all the marbles. If you've been waiting for a real challenge, this is it. This week's task was sent in by our education intern, Debbie. Debbie, take it away.
Hi, I'm Debbie. I'm an education intern at Shaw Nature Reserve. I have the privilege of announcing what the challenge for the nature tasking will be for this week. We want you to submit your best nature call. It can be made with or without calls, body parts, your mouth. Please submit those, and we would love to see everyone participate. Here's mine. Good luck with the challenge. Caw-caw, caw-caw.
There you have it. Our third and final task of our hashtag nature tasking series is to imitate a sound found in nature. Get outside and gather some inspiration from your backyard or your neighborhood. Maybe you have a memory of a sound that you've heard at Shaw Nature Reserve when visiting. I'm not even gonna show you a montage of suggestions because we want you to have complete freedom to imitate any sound that you discover. Preferably a sound found native to Missouri, but you know, we're not gonna be sticklers on that. Make sure to comment with your video submission on this post located on our Facebook page, or you can post to your personal Facebook feed with hashtag nature tasking in the text. We'll randomly select one submission to receive those free prizes. On your mark, get set for our last nature tasking challenge. Go! Oops, sorry, I just hit a cat. Sorry. And now, onto our final nature tasking challenge. Jelly. Nature tasking challenge series. You can always post to your... Why is this line so hard every single time? Every time.